Maintaining crystal clear pool water without undesirable pollutants and unpleasant odors. Reducing operating costs, reducing the burden of the environment, and especially healthy, satisfied bathing visitors? How to achieve all this by changing just one single thing: your filter material in the pool. ZeoAqua, a 100% natural product for the treatment of drinking and pool water. With its excellent filtration properties and unique ability of ion exchange with cations of pollutants, it maximizes filtration efficiency and substantially reduces operating costs. ZeoAqua, unlike commonly used materials, offers triple filtration: macrofiltration, microfiltration, and ion exchange. Not only does it capture pollutants between the grains, but due to the porous surface of its cavity structure, it can capture many times more impurities, including colloidal particles. It absorbs the pollutants over the extremely large surface area of the mineral compared to sand. Using ZeoAqua offers important health benefits. It removes ammonia and other organic pollutants, which react with chlorine and produce chloramine, which causes unpleasant odors and skin irritation, and is also potentially carcinogenic. 1 kilogram of ZeoAqua can bind as much as 23 grams of ammonia. This exceptional property increases the effectiveness of sanitation materials and enables a decrease in their dosage. The much cleaner water limits the growth of bacteria in the pool, causing various skin and diarrheal diseases, eye and ear infections. It is simple to use. It requires no intensive technologies. The filter container is filled with water to about half of its volume. ZeoAqua is poured into the filter so that all the material is covered with water. The filter is closed and it is rinsed through. When the water flows clean, the filter can be switched on and put into operation. ZeoAqua has a lower weight by volume than sand, and it is therefore sufficient to use 75% of the weight of sand. It requires up to 50% less frequent cleaning of the filter and thus provides energy savings. It also reduces water consumption by 30%, and also the cost for heating. It reduces the consumption of chemicals for water treatment and reduces the consumption of chlorine by 35%. Under certain conditions, ZeoAqua can be regenerated, and it is also possible to use it in combination with ozone filtration. Though ZeoAqua would cost more than a classic filtration at first, considering the economic benefits, it shows that the cost for the life cycle are actually much lower. ZeoAqua filtration material brings users several immediate benefits at the same time. It is safe for people, protects the environment, it reduces costs, and provides clean and safe water in your swimming pool.